Swadika, welcome to Tiger in the Kitchen, and today we're making stir-fried chicken with roasted chili paste or ไก่ผัดน้ำพริกเผา The taste will actually be pretty close to chicken cashew nuts menu, which of course you can check that one out from the link in the description box. But this ingredient is the star of the show, roasted chili paste or น้ำพริกเผา in Thai.Before looking to purchase this roasted chili paste, we should get to know what other menus we can use this for. We can use it to make tom yum, seafood bucket sauce, stir-fry sauce like this one we're making today, or with other proteins, or even spread on the breads or crepes with some pork floss or sliced sausages on top. Without further ado, let's get started and have a look at the ingredients.We'll need chicken thighs. I'm using boneless and skinless. If you want to switch to other parts, definitely can. But chicken thighs will still be my number one recommendation since it's more tender and juicy. Next, we'll need flour to help our chicken crispy. I'm using what I call crispy flour, which is pretty common to get where I live. But if you don't have, you can use rice flour or all-purpose flour. Garlic, onion.Bell peppers, which I use 3 colors to make the dish colorful. If you don't have all 3 colors, you can also add a carrot. Spring onion. Dry chili. This is optional. It's more for a little chili fragrance and garnish. Seasonings, we'll use oyster sauce, sugar, light soy sauce, cornstarch, and Nam Prik Pao or roasted chili paste, which some people also call it Thai chili jam. Since a lot of flavors will come from this ingredient, each brand can taste slightly different. Shrimp paste is one of the ingredients of Nam Prik Pao. Some brands, you can taste the shrimp paste a little stronger than the other. This brand I'm using, in my opinion, is a little strong on that. The other brand I recommend for those who don't like the strong shrimp paste flavor is Mae Pranom. One day I'll show how to make the homemade version of Nam Prik Pao and hope you'll watch. Now we're gonna cut the bell peppers into bite size. You can slice too if you want. Do the same with an onion. Mine is tiny, so I'm using the whole one. If yours is bigger, you can use a half. Now we have a colorful tray. Garlic, smash, peel, and chop.Spring onion cut into around an inch. Cut the chicken into a little bigger than the bite size. Once it's cooked, it'll shrink a little, then we'll get the perfect size. There we have Sandy next to me again if you notice her. She's glued to us, follows us everywhere. Now we're gonna pre-mix the seasonings. 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons roasted chili paste or Nam Prik Pao, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, and around a couple tablespoon cornstarch water, which is basically the mix of 1 tablespoon cornstarch and a couple tablespoon of water. Now stir until they are combined.For the vegetable oil, enough for deep frying, so I can't really tell you how much oil. It depends on the size of your pan or pot. Also, pick the suitable oil for deep frying, the higher smoking point ones. More popular options would be canola, soybean, peanut, grapeseed, avocado, etc. Now we're going to pour some flour on a plate or a bowl and wait until the oil is hot on a medium-high heat. Then we're going to fry the dried chili for around a half minute or until fragrant.Then rest on a paper towel. Now let's deep fry the chicken. Dip the chicken into the flour and shake off the excess flour downwards. Put in the oil and do not stir or move them in the first couple minutes. Let them settle a bit first, otherwise the coated flour will come off easily. Then we can gently move them around occasionally.Keep deep frying until golden brown and crispy. Then remove them and rest on a sheet, paper towel, or a rack, whatever you have. Remove the oil and leave around 3 to 4 tablespoons of it. Add the chopped garlic. Stir until it smells nice. Add the bell peppers and onion. And we're going to stir until the onion becomes transparent and all the veggies are glossy. Add the crispy chicken, and as usual, I steal a couple bites. Pour the pre-mixed sauce on it. Now mix until well combined and the sauce gets thicker, which will take only a few minutes. Then add the dried chili we fried earlier. Now we can turn the heat off and finish up with the spring onion. And voila, ready to serve! How colorful! I love having this dish with steamed jasmine rice and a fried egg on top. I hope you'll give it a try soon. Thank you for watching. If you like Thai and Asian cooking, don't forget to subscribe for more recipes weekly. And I'll see you next time. สวัสดีค่ะ